Hello guys, this is Rafiq once again from Eazyfixit. We have got a MacBook Air actually. It has a no backlight issue. So after turning on, we can see the Apple logo on the screen, but it has a no backlight. Let's check the device. After opening, as we can see, actually it looks perfect. So let's test the boost circuit L7701. We are getting 8.5 volt, which doesn't look normal. So let's open PCB and see what's wrong with it. As we can see, actually it looks quite clean. It has no watermark sign. Let's test the power rail first. We have tested 3v3_S0. It's working normal. Let's test 5v_S0. That works normal too. Let's check PWM circuit. After testing the PWM circuit, we have found the resistor were knocked off. Let's install the resistor and test it again. As we can see, actually after installing the resistors, PWM circuit is working perfectly and it's back to normal. Let's connect the screen and see the backlight. Now you can see the backlight is working perfectly and the MacBook has been successfully repaired. Thanks for watching.